Hello friends, welcome to LinuxTopic. Today we will use a for loop in our bash script. This script will check a network equipment device or available IP address. So let's start.
Subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest update.
We create a file like ping, enter. The first line of our bash script is, then we type any message or create a name just like LinuxTopic.com. Now we are use a for loop for ping in we have IP like 1 to 254, so just we echo our for loop. Done. Now give a permission to execute. Sax. Now we will run. It's a echo all available ones to 254. Now we type a command ping -w3, just we ping a 3 second. My network is 192.168.2 and use variable ping for last octet. I just use a if condition for message echo like online or offline. Echo is not equal to 0. Then echo just offline, else echo fi. Then I save it. Now clear. First I will check the command 1, it's reachable, so last output of command is 0. Then I will check another network, another IP, it's unreachable, so the last output is echo 1. So echo 0 is offline, it's not equal to ping is offline. Second echo is online. Online. Save it. Now I'm run ping command, ping script. It's online, offline. 2.3 is online, 2.4 is online, 2.5 is online. Just you can check your whole network or IP digit. Thanks.